big jungle of algebra we have to tame, and we have to make this as simple and clean as we can. And the goal is to start with the ugliest part first, this root 45. So we're going to take that root 45. We're going to think about our perfect squares that we know. So we have 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, all the way up. We want to find the biggest one of these that goes into 45 evenly. That's going to be 9. So root 45 can be rewritten as 9 times 5. If I were to break that up, the square root of 9 is going to make 3 root 5. I'm going to go back to this whole expression and replace that root 45 with a simplified version. So the 3 stays. This is called a plus minus symbol. It means you're going to add and also subtract the number underneath to get two different answers. And root 45 will be 3 radical 5 all over 18. That's kind of messy. I'm going to rewrite that so it's not so gross. And then the number in the radical is safe, but all these numbers on the outside, all 3 of them, if there's something that divides all 3 of them, I'm going to take it and divide it out. All of these are divisible by 3. So that's what I'm going to do. 3 divided by 3 makes 1. The plus or minus is still there. This divided by 3 also makes 1. You don't need to write the 1. You can. I'm not going to. It's just root 5. And then 18 divided by 3 is 6. So this is one way to write the answer. Sometimes ALEKS or like on a standardized test, you might see them, instead of doing this, they might take this fraction and break it up even more. They might take this as 1 over 6 as one fraction and then do plus or minus root 5 over 6. It's just the idea that this denominator can be rewritten over this numerator and that numerator as 2 separate fractions. I don't care which answer you give, this one or this one. I'm going to always give this one because it's a little bit less work. ALEKS should accept both. ALEKS likes to give the answers like this. And then if these reduce further, they do that as well. But however you want to do it is fine with me. If you have questions about that, let me know. But as far as this goes, look at the ugly part, simplify it using stuff from 2.1, then look at the numbers on the outside, divide out the common factor as needed, and that's going to be your final answer. Good luck.